What is a storm surge? Storm surge. You've probably heard the term if you've ever watched a weather forecast during hurricane season. But what exactly is it, and why is it one of the most feared aspects of a tropical storm or hurricane? In this deep dive, we're going to explain the science behind storm surge, its devastating effects, and why understanding it is vital. We're going to simply and it aid in eyesight of a wide undertaken and one egress and other so the wade wested into a for anyone living near the coast. Storm surge is the abnormal rise in seawater level during a storm. It's caused by a storm's wind pushing water onto the shore, exceeding the predicted tide level. Now that might sound straightforward, but there's a lot more to it than that. Let's look at the factors that contribute to a storm surge and how they can vary in size and destructive power. Let's bring some context to our discussion by taking a look at two infamous storms, Hurricane Katrina in 2005 and Superstorm Sandy in 2012. These storms were significantly different in terms of their size and power, but both brought devastating storm surges that caused widespread destruction and loss of life. Many factors come into play in the creation and intensity of a storm surge: the size and speed of the storm, the depth of the nearby sea or ocean floor, the shape of the coastline. All of these elements can influence a storm surge. In this segment, we're going to break down these factors one by one. Predicting a storm surge isn't easy, but advancements in meteorology have made forecasts more accurate than ever. Timely and precise predictions can make the difference between life and death, helping coastal communities to evacuate and prepare. So, how exactly do meteorologists predict a storm surge? Let's find out. Behind every storm statistic are real people and communities. The human toll of storm surges can be devastating, with effects that last long after the storm has passed. We'll hear from survivors and look at the physical and emotional challenges they face during recovery and rebuilding. As the threat of storm surges grows with climate change, engineers and city planners are working hard to create solutions. From the Netherlands' impressive Maesland Barrier to New York's proposed seawall, we'll explore the innovative strategies being used around the world to protect against storm surge. Storm surge is a powerful and destructive force of nature, but with understanding, preparation, and resilience, we can face this challenge. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of storm surge. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth content. Stay safe and stay informed.